Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are creating a vision board that we then coated in resin. For anyone that doesn't know what a vision board is, it is generally a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It can be made however you like, but we like to use a collage style made of images, words, and affirmations that reflect what we would like to attract in our life. Vision boards are a great tool that is often used for motivation, self-discovery, and manifestation, to help people stay focused on their goals and have a positive reminder to keep moving forward. If you'd like to learn more about vision boards, you can visit our blog article that is linked in the description box below, where we've gone into more detail about it, how to use it, as well as what to include and so much more. But, of course, it wouldn't be complete for us without a bit of resin, so we have also included the resin process as well. Vision boards are something that we have created for over 15 years and something we have introduced to a number of our staff members. This has now become a fun little project that we get all our new team members to create for themselves. This particular board that you'll see in the video was created by Alex and was focused primarily on travel and positive energy. We have sped up this video as it did take almost 2 hours to plan and design, let alone the resin process as well. So we'll be splitting this video up into 2 parts. In part 2 we will share the finishing process where we also apply the resin to the board. Anyway, let's talk about the piece now. We started out with a 40cm square MDF board. It was raw MDF, so we used a range of acrylic paints that we had to create a base layer on the board. For this process, if you want to do it, any paints can be used. If you are working on MDF, this isn't necessarily needed, but we did want to have a prettier background for the gaps between the collage. We used a huge selection of stickers for this piece as it was the easiest way to create when working with MDF. We laid out the stickers in a general design that we wanted, making sure to cover the majority of the board. We moved stickers around to create a better design, and when we were happy with the layout, we began sticking the stickers to the board. This was probably the most time-consuming aspect of the piece. It is very important to press the stickers down to avoid them lifting or peeling. When applying resin, if there are any air pockets or stickers that are lifting, the resin will continue to lift the stickers or create bubbles. Vision boards can be created using other images like pictures or even magazine cutouts. This would mean you would need to glue the images down. If you are using glue, it's important to allow the glue to completely dry before applying resin. If the glue is still wet, the resin can react and it will create more bubbles in the finish. As always, we'll list all of the products in the description box below, which are all available on our website at www.uresin.com.au. We have Zip and Afterpay available with affordable shipping Australia-wide. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos. We'll see you in part 2.